Hey kiddos, so Miss Kelly here again. We are going to write sentences with some sight words that we have learned. I'm going to use 4 words throughout this. I'm going to do 2 sentences. The first sentence is going to have 3 sight words in it. It's going to be I, see, and a. So, I want you to get a pencil, a piece of paper, and get ready to write some sight words. I'm going to teach you how to do this. All right, so the first thing is we have a line on top, which I call the sky. We have the dotted line, which I call the do not cross line. And then we have the line on bottom, which is the ground. Now, the reason the ground is red is because red means stop. So on some of our letters, we stop. We do not go under the ground, okay? We do not go above the sky. So my giraffe letters are gonna, oh, I did not do very well. Our giraffe letters are tall, so they go from the sky to the ground. Oh, I'm not writing very well, you guys. They go from the sky to the ground, just like that. Our chicken letters go from the do not cross line, right there, down to the ground. Okay? Are we ready? All right. We also use finger spaces. So, let's get started, shall we? So the first word we're going to use is I. So I want everybody to write I, and at the beginning of our sentences is always a capital letter. So, capital I, you start at the sky, come to the ground, stop at the ground. Now we need to put on a hat and 2 shoes. So put on his hat and 2 shoes. I. Good, 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 good. Our next word is going to be see. I see. But before we do that, we need to make a finger space. So get your finger and put it right by the word I. Now, let's see if I can do this. Now, I'm going to use this finger. There it is, right? Now I'm going to write on the side of this finger. All right? So it's a lot harder than I thought. So there's my finger space. See my finger space right here? There's a space right here. Okay. Now what do I call these letters? Are they giraffe letters? Are they like this one? No, they are chicken letters. They start at the do not cross line and they stop at the ground. They do not cross and they do not float. This is floating. See how it's not touching the ground? It's like a ghost. It's floating. Now, what if I did this? Does that look right? No. No. It's floating and it's too big. We don't want that. We want to take our time and make our letters how they're supposed to be. So now I have I, see. Our next word is A. A. So make sure you put your finger space and then right over here. Do I have a finger space? I do, right here and here. So now I know I have 3 words. Letters in a group make a word. So I, see, A. Is A giraffe letter or a chicken letter? You're right, it's a chicken letter because it starts at the do not cross line and ends at the ground. Now, you think about what you're going to say. I see a... What do you see? Oh, I'm going to... Cat. I see a cat. Now, I need to write cat. How many sounds does cat have? K, a, at. What is my first sound in cat? K, 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 k. Right, it's a C. So I'm going to write a C. Make sure I have my finger space. C, k, a. What's my second sound? A. Now what is my last sound in cat? K, a, t, t. K, a, t, t, t. T. Now T is a giraffe letter. It's a tall letter. Goes to the sky, clear to the ground, and then you cross it. Cat. I, C, A, cat. Now on the sentence, I'm missing something. What goes at the end? Do you know what goes at the end of a sentence to make it stop? We're going to end our sentence. It is called a punctuation. I'm going to put a period at the end of my sentence so we know that we stop. I see a cat. Oh my gosh, you guys are so good. Now remember, you can always pause so that you can write your sentences. All right, our next sentence, we are going to use 4 words. 4. I'm going to add one more to that. First word is I. There's the new word. Can. See. A. How many words was that? I can see a. How many words do I need to write? 4. Good job. So the first word we're going to write is I. Remember, I is a giraffe letter, so it goes from the sky to the ground. Okay, we start at the sky. We go, struggles. Start at the sky, and we go to the ground. Okay, now we need to put on a hat and his shoes. I. Well, that's my only word. So what do I need between I and my next word? Right, a finger space. So there's my finger space. Now I'm going to write the word right here. That is can. C-A-N. So C-A-N. They are all chicken letters, aren't they? Because they go from the do not cross line to the ground. They don't go to the sky, do they? All right, I can. I need a finger space, so make sure you always put your finger space in between your words so we know what you're saying, what your words are. Next word is see. See. Okay, finger space, see. Are those all chicken letters or giraffe letters? Remember, giraffes have really long necks, so giraffe letters are tall words. Chickens are little and short. So those are all chicken letters. They go from the do not cross line to the ground. All right. Now, I have one more word. One more word, A. But I don't think I can fit my word right there. What do you guys think I need to do? I can't fit A there. Because then I have to write something else at the after A. So I'm going to jump to the next line and start writing on there. So our next word is A. It's a chicken letter. A. Now, if you have room to write your A, then you write your A. I just don't have any room over here to write. And I can't put it next to that, can I? That don't look right. That looks like see ya. Yeah, we don't want that. We need our finger space in between. So we're going to jump. I'm going to jump down to this next line. A. What do you see? I can see a. What can you see? We already said cat. I know. What about dog. Dog. Let's count out the sounds. D, A, G. How many sounds did I do? D, A, G. Right, 3. So what is my first sound? D, D, D. Good job. But before I write, what do I have to have in between my words? You're right, finger space right here. And we're going to start writing right next to it. So my first sound was D in dog. D. So D, what makes the sound D? D is a giraffe letter because it has a long neck. See it? It goes from the sky to the ground. D. Now what's after D? D, A, G. D, A, 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 A. What makes the sound A, A, A? Correct. O. O is a giraffe letter or chicken letter, so it's short. It does not cross the do not cross line, and it does not pass the ground. It does not go under the ground. D, O. D, A, G. G. What's my very last sound? What's my ending sound? D, A, G, 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 G. D, A, G. What's that last sound I need to put right here? Yeah, G. Now a G, I call a monkey letter because he has a tail. So I do my circle. Come up. Now I'm going to go under the ground with his tail. I'm going to go under the ground and up. See, he's got a little tail. The only letters that go under the ground are monkey letters. G is a monkey letter. Dog. Dog. Okay. I can see a dog. Am I done with my sentence? What am I missing? I think I'm missing something. What do you think I'm missing? Do I have my end? No, I need a punctuation. What do I need to put right there? Yeah, I need to put a period. So I know I'm done with my sentence. All right, let's read it. I can see a dog. Look at that. You guys wrote a sentence and you can read the sentence. Good job, kiddos. All right. Keep practicing and I will see you next time. Bye.